Every night fucks every day up. Everyday patches then right up. Oh God, you should match it, it's that KO. No white lighters till I fuck my 28th up. 1998, my family had the actor. Oh, the legend. Kept at least 6 discs and a changer. Back when Boswell and Percy had it active. Couple bishops in the city building mansion. Oh, the reverend. Reaching self-made millionaire status. When we could only eat at Shoney's on occasion. After Trina hit, I had to transfer campus.
Y'all, so I'm up later than usual. I think it's like 7:15 or something like that. You know, usually I've been waking up at like 6:30. But I'm gonna start off a vlog today. It's gonna be like a 2-day birthday vlog. So today I'm mainly gonna do like maintenance and stuff like that. And my morning routine, I'm gonna start it off right now. And then tomorrow is gonna be like whatever happens tomorrow. Yeah, I just came to say y'all good morning.
I got a pack, get him and do it again. Fucking, I'm fucking a friend. I got bins, money, I'm flying to friends. Chicken till a nigga lean. You got a man, know what I do to your mans. No, I ain't shooting the hands. Took a airline, took one again. Crash Ferrari, so I have so in. It's crazy how you watch a young nigga gon' move. It's crazy where.
Alright y'all, so right now I'm in my brother's like gaming room. I was trying out a hairstyle that I might do to my hair tomorrow. I know I'm gonna have 2 different styles because I want a ponytail. Like I want like an extended ponytail. So I'm gonna do that and then might do this in the morning. But yeah, I finished my morning routine workout, whatever. Finished getting ready. I'm about to make my son breakfast and then we're just gonna play.
It's crazy worrying about yourself, nigga, make a move. You steady watching all the winning niggas, you gon' lose. I don't gotta prove. You steady watching all the winning niggas, you gon' lose. I don't ever lose. Flying my mind to Japan, flying my dad to Japan. We in advance, we gon' link up with the fam. Yeah, I'm talking NBN, yeah. Buddy, I don't never lack. That chopper make a nigga dance. Versatile freelance. Fuck any bitch, nigga, the pants. Only with the shit if you a 10. Picking any bitch, yeah, I'm a man. If you want a feature, give me a grand. Drip my body, I'm cool like a fan. I cannot lose. I was up grinding, they snooze. Fuck all the fighting, be cool. Fuck all the dying, keep tools. I got a pack, hit him and do it again. Fucking, I'm fucking a friend. I got bands, money, I'm flying to friends. Chicken till a nigga land. You got a man, know what I do to your mans. No, I ain't shooting the hands. Took an airline, took one again. Crash Ferrari, so I have so in. It's crazy how you watch a young nigga gon' move. It's crazy worrying about yourself, nigga, make a move. You steady watching all the winning niggas, you gon' lose. I don't gotta prove. You steady watching all the winning niggas, you gon' lose. I don't ever lose.
Alright y'all, so it's a couple hours later. He done had breakfast, he's changed, he played, had his bottles. But right now, I think I'm gonna like put his stuff on so we could go outside, go for a little walk because it's like 50-some degrees outside. After that, I'm probably gonna bring him inside, give him lunch, take him a bath, and then he's probably gonna take his nap. So then I'm gonna do my stuff, so yeah.
Up in the sky, ship
Alright, y'all, so I just came from the post office. One of the shirts I had ordered was missing, so it came. This is the shirt. So basically, my son has been growing out his clothes, like, I'm talking about one day to the next. Like, his clothes fit him, and then the next day, it was like I had to, like, literally stretch them to go on him. So I ordered him some more clothes for the house. So I bought 3 shirts and 3 pairs of pants. I feel like they all match each other, so it really doesn't matter. I don't really have anything else to do today. I probably do a manicure because y'all, my nails, I'm not even going to show y'all up close because they still ugly, but they are growing. I'm not doing my hair, so like I said, in the morning, well, my bun didn't look like this. I took more time in the morning, but tomorrow morning I'm gonna do like a little fake messy bun or whatever, and then towards the night I'm gonna have like a little party at my house, so I'm gonna do like an extended ponytail. So there's really nothing else to record today. It's already almost 5 o'clock, so I'm probably just gonna have dinner, probably do some of my laundry. I'm not gonna film that because I just did my laundry in the last vlog, and yeah, like I said, just chill until bedtime. So
kept the Galleria open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in HOUSTON. I get too crazy at a little badina. We stay good friends, we get too gravy. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. I bet you know me, and you knew me back then, and you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making wait till your ends, and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little so baby, you a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket, she gon' take off like a. You already know, dirtied up a couple on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably go aside. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight. Touch the city with the G-block stainers, and we got adopted by some fifth ward strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does. Outside of the things that would cause.
thank you. Alright, y'all, so our hair looks terrible. We need to get ready for the day. As y'all can see by the title, today's my birthday and he has a few appointments today. Y'all could not sleep yesterday. I woke up at 5. Thank you. Yeah, I am so tired.
Puma hanging on my neck, the bracelet matches a set. My brother name is Tina Dollar, stop all that back and forth over the net. My mama wish I would've went corporate, she wish I would've went exec. I still turn to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respect. Hey, 2 sprinters to Quebec, Cherie, où est mon bec? They only giving niggas +1, so I never pull up to the Met. You know I gotta bring the set, you know I gotta bring the G block, you know I gotta bring the D block, cause you know how sticky it get, hey. You know how sticky it get, ayy. You know how sticky it get, ayy. You know how sticky it get, ayy. She want me to play with that cat, ayy. She love how I make it on wet, ayy. You know how sticky it get, ayy. Hey yo, Eric, bring them girls to the stage, cause somebody's getting paid. And free big slime out the cage. And Shorty tried to play it cool, but now she wish she would've stayed. Cause every song that I made is ringing like I got engaged. I love my guys, I wouldn't trade. Ay, from the cradle to the grave. Ay, Gordo got me on the wave. Ay, and got me on the wave. Ay, couple of hits, now you brave. Wait, niggas better behave. What? All that pumping up your chest. What? All that talk about the best. What? You know how sticky it gets. If she alone, you know she a freak one. If it's an escort, it's a police one. King of the hill, you know it's a steep one. If we together, you know it's a brief one. Back in the ocean, you go, it's a deep one. Forgave niggas and they feelings. Lucky for y'all, we don't do civilians. You say I changed, I say that I millions. I did. The toughest actor follows back on tour off-road.
Y'all, so I just finished getting ready. It's almost 8:30. I'm about to go downstairs, get my son ready, and then we're gonna go. I'm gonna try to come back as much as possible to like talk to y'all, give y'all updates and stuff like that. My bun came out decent. I like my outfit, so.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I can tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big snacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just lap every nigga in a race. I really might tap, really spit on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the babe. I used to say hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money out of game. I was on top when that shit been a lot. Still on top like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top, these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like a sauce in a Watts. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. My top, so I'm always good where I'm at. Word to Junior, Jazzy, Baby J. Tell them when I die, put my money in a crack. Couple figures, killers, going to collect. She fuck a nigga, then she on to the next.
Alright y'all, so I just got home. As y'all seen from whatever clips played, I went to an appointment with my son, and then after that I went to get breakfast, and then I went to Walmart. Then I went to another appointment with my son. I like to make his appointments on the same day so I know when I went last to each appointment. After the appointments, I went and got a pedicure. So right now I'm about to shower, do my hair, get ready, and y'all about to see whatever y'all see. This is probably the last time I'm coming to talk to y'all, or I'll probably come to y'all later on or maybe tomorrow.
Take a look inside your heart, is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, was any fear that you'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear? Cause what's the point of crying? It was never even enough. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? But boys are liar. boy's a liar, he doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boy's a liar, good boy's a liar, he doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Good enough.
Alright y'all, so my day is over. I'm about to clean up my room. I'm about to get the room ready so me and my baby could go to bed. My day was good. I had a good day. I had a calm day. I had a productive day. I got to spend the day with people I love, my baby and stuff like that. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. And if you want to see more videos, make sure y'all stay tuned.